Viewers, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn and watch best practices that one can practice on his or her farm, that is goat farm or sheep farm, for maximizing production, hence profit. We have Madam Janet here. Let's watch her and learn.
Mama we aduane dada no pay.
My woman na me bi ama.
Let's say na asa na fufuro abehim.
Me aduane ne ba na wo be ba bi.
No we bi won ho abedi wa ha se.
Ha na wo ndi di.
Okay.
Ante ma wo mpra na no pa no. Dada no wo mu se ne se wo san de ho program ye ndi. We tie ko asa ye no wa bre kwa.
Yes, aduane san ya fe no asa ma won fufuro.
Nti na ma da bi ye pra mu mpem se anopa no wa mpem na wo de aduane ne ma wona mu. So wo pra dada na fi so na wo de ho na ma.
Okay.
So in the mornings like this, she sweeps the place and then she feeds them. And after feeding them, she does other things that we are going to see in this video.
She say ade yi ngwan wo mu na mponchen so dan ni mu.
Mponchen wa ha nyan so he se.
She doesn't mix the goat and the sheep together. She separates them.
Then ra we so have to worry pa tetrete no.
Omo be papa.
Na uni mu ra bia say wo ma won e ma wo fine.
Ndie ni ze
de na ya o de ma wo.
Ndie ma wo ma like.
Okay. Na wonsu no what's the da na say? Afi na be.
Afi na ma ba.
Okay, yeah.
Afi na ma ba si. Joa. Ba this one so bia me ba bie mu ano na o mu ano. Ai. Ko fa this one so bia me na me fa ngu ko.
Na say nso ade ni ya bien.
Du ho no man kokko so ti ba me ndi. Bia no kokko an kitin kitin. No mu kan ka.
After washing the water containers, she fills it with water for both the goats, the sheep, and the chickens. So now we have seen two things she does that keeps her animals healthy always.
Now share we ponchi ba kwa be fremu wa ha.
Ponchi maybe one nti na ya obaka ho. Me ma won kwan kura pa wo mutimi akwahye anwan kura timi kwahye ponchi mbu mu nchen ha.
Tu be bie wo nyina.
Mama wo mu nyina be didi. Na mansan ka wo mu agu mansa.
Okay. Nti wakosa wo so dance de dawo.
So that's some point me say akwalen ko sa bla me onu so akoko bo ne ball a wan ba no. Me de ni nyina sa. But on kwa na asensa ho no. Ka me say makwa akwasa me de abubu say makwa akwasa ho de so ni ho. Oba masra no ma ba akwasa.
Na so dance de a won ton ma mo.
Oh, da bi nde o man ton. E kwa dodo biala o pa bia wo se
benya. Okay.
De hia ne say o banya ka. Onya kala ndi o ba charge. Bi o ho timi jo be 50 cities na o dia.
Na say o fa ne bebre bomu.
Wo de tubire bia ma kala kwa akofa aba. Me ma o kwa akohye gu boto ni mu na kala na dia abrem. Ndi kala ne de ba na wa ba je ni sika ko. Ba na so da se bebi a o yesa de ndi o mu nji ya sika.
Nti se sia no den bi o na aka. We ni seria na aka den bi o.
Okay, me fa ne say ala ya me ma wona aduane a wo mu di wi a nti me bebie wo mu na wo mu kwa na ma prapra bu no mu ma prapra bu no nyina ma pra ha na me de sawdust na san de agum ama wo mu aba abeda aha de me fa sawdust
ngu ha you say ha de abontinti no nti sesi ano wo be bi o ma wo aba ha
wo be ba
akodan ni mu
wo be ba be didi na wo mu asan yakọ and de ma me di nkan bi wo we mu wa ahonde nchen we mu nti wo mu di nkan ba jawo
wo se wo di kan bie ngwan
na nkwanchi na nkwanchi ni di nkan ba didi na ansa na me bie ngwan no so na wo so aba
denti
oh if say we mu say no ngwan ne ba o mutimi ba kantam so ama je say akwanchi
ni sheda anye bi hey okay yo
o ma didi kakra ni ndi o mutimi
na denti na wo bie won no won pie so wo she ma no mbeba
if say o ma didi ami nti na ya o mu ero o ma didi nti na o mu say ya gina house na o mu ni say bia ya na o mu didi e ka nya sa nka o mu tu emleka bi na o ba ba didi o mu di nkan didi ami ni nti ama
so guys you can see they are now coming out. Before she sweeps inside the pen, she makes the animals come out. This particular pen is for the sheep, and this one here is for the goats. She doesn't mix them up. If they come to this open place, they all join together to eat and drink water before they are made to go back. So this time that she's coming to sweep inside the pen, they'll have to come here so that she can have free space to clean the pens. Then she'll let them go back, because it is very early in the morning. She does this in the morning, and then in the afternoon, as she said in the last video, she opens them to go and roam and eat to enhance their diet. This goat is very big. It looks as if it is pregnant. This particular one. And then wait on him. Wow. So papa.
Bana omu ye nche bia fi se omu mba na asase efe na omu asase yi ne ba ne de gina echi ho no nti asa omu pe ho no gbam kura chi ha
ba sa ho nya one time
omu de ni ha onya bie wana omu didi wiala na omu nyina
akwahye ho
na omu nyina akwahye ho no ba na omu hye ho omu ba se ho no nti mi wiala omu didi wiala na ma ka omu abagu na we no mo so akwa se
okay
ene kura mama omu de aba then I was saying sending you now kutugu na me san se na foforo nti
we no udi tugu kwa na se udi gu wonfu ya se
me de gu me de na me de gu eyi no me de gu asase ne so se de baye ma first na aha se na aye se de aha o aye de se aha se ya wo dua de a enfifi
enye yi but because of imwane toilet na de go go nti
na se aho no wo timi dua bibia ma na ya
na eho nom den na so fa wadua wo ho
oh se me dua nya ado mboko ne eyi ntosi mpo na metimi dua mu ba afi we ntosi anya papa ama me nti nya ado ne mboko ne abuade na ma dua dua ho
okay na mudi mumpie ni empra bo ni
mu mo so ye de mo so se obabi o no se tama I was in the bio one dia wo bio mu a wo twemle ka ko na ta mo so mpa de wo bio na wo nko
ba sa papa na wo bio mo ko didi wa ha de se nka wo mutumi so you can see madam Janet sweeping. I've blocked the way of these animals. You look at them. Look at them. So she's sweeping, cleaning the place. So as she said, she pours sawdust here and sweeps every 3 days. That is if the rains do not fall. If the rains do not fall, she sweeps every 3 days. But if the rain falls, she sweeps every day, in the morning and then in the evening. So that's what she's doing.
So after sweeping, she doesn't let the animal droppings go waste. She has a garden at the back of the pen where she pours all those animal droppings onto her crops, as she has already said. And she does it so much that, and so well, that the place that used to be a desert or very bare land now can harvest okras, peppers, tomatoes, plantains, and garden eggs. But for this year, she says her tomatoes did not do well. But so far, so very good. The place is doing very well, which I'll show you very soon. Na we no eye baako beso
adoso saa na nsu so gusa na ase
So basically, she sweeps their pens and fills with sawdust to prevent their feet from being muddied or dirtied by their own droppings, which might cause diseases later on. Then she cleans their water containers and fills them with clean water every day. That is every morning. And in case the water gets finished before the day ends, she tops up. She also brings vets to inject her animals periodically, as she mentioned in one of her previous videos right here on Frenat Farms. Last but not the least, she feeds them very well, as you saw in this particular video. So these are some of the practices that you can have on your farm to keep your animals very healthy and very marketable. Guys, if you found any value in this particular video, please do subscribe to Frenat Farms and catch you in the next video. Bye bye.